Hello viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about present progressive tense today. Present progressive tense is also known by different names such as present imperfect tense, present continuous tense, and present progressive tense. Present progressive tense is that tense which expresses that a work or action or activity is going on in the present time. For instance, Ram is studying a poem now. Shyam is studying English grammar now. Sita is singing a beautiful song at the present time. Now let me talk about the structure of this tense. This tense has following structures or patterns: affirmative, subject plus is, are, am plus V4 plus object. Example: Ram is reading a book. Negative, subject plus is, are, am plus note plus V4 plus object. Ram is not reading a book. Interrogative, is, are, am plus subject plus V4 plus object, question mark at the end of the sentence. Example: is he going to college today? Is she going to coaching today? Interrogative negative, is, are, am plus subject plus note plus V4 plus object plus and question mark at the end. Example: is he not going to appear at annual examination this year? Are you not going to complete your homework today? Contracted forms: isn't, aren't. Isn't he doing his work? Aren't you passing the examinations with good marks or grades? Now let me talk about important aspect of this tense, progressive tense. Use of present progressive tense. What are the usage? What are the different usage of present progressive tense? There are many usage of present progressive tense. Let me talk about them one by one. The first use is to state some work or action which is going on, which is continued in the present time, at the time of speaking. Example: Sita is writing a letter. Mohan is reading a novel now. Number 2, Progressive tense is used to express some work, action, or activity which is going on, but not necessarily at the time of speaking. Example, he is writing novel. She is writing short story. Shashi Tharoor is writing novel after novel. Next use. Use number 3. Present progressive tense is used to express a work or action or some work or action that is going to happen in near future. Example, he is going to set up a school. She is going to start entrepreneurship. They are going to open up a new school. Present progressive tense is also used to express some intention, some likelihood, dissatisfaction with some work or action. Example, he is always asking me for money. You are always visiting movies. They are going to do this or that work. All these sentences show that some work is going to happen in near future, but they are stated in present progressive tense. But there are some verbs which cannot be used in progressive tense, in present progressive tense. What are these verbs? These verbs are, number 1, verbs of perceptions, such as see, hear, notice. These verbs are generally not used in present progressive tense. Number 2, verbs of emotions, mental activity. Example, think, know, understand, watch, etc. Number 3, verbs showing possession, such as appear, seem, look. Then in my next class, I shall talk about these verbs. We will see that these verbs are generally not used in present progressive tense, in the important sense, in the sense the words mean, but they are used in present progressive tense when they express another meaning, when they denote a different meaning. For example, feel, take feel. He feels sad, She feels happy. It is used in present simple. But when feel means something to find out in a bag or pocket, it may be used or it can be used in present progressive tense. Example, he is feeling coins in his pocket. She is feeling coins in her purse. Hear, I hear you well. She hears me well. Simple present tense. But when hear means to hear the arguments of advocates. In this sense, here is used in present progressive tense. For instance, the judge is hearing the case. The magistrate is hearing the case. Viewers, I think you must have understood this tense. Now practice making many sentences of this tense and you will master it. Thanks a lot. Thanks.